Transcription number 318. Compare. Mr. Chairman C cap, we note NOT that the territorial TERRITORIAL Army TA cap was inaugurated INAUGURATED in our country by the Act A cap of 1920 full stop. For a period of something like 28 years, it did not have a much important role to play inside our country, though during this period the country has witnessed WITNESSED, the Second World War, initial cap, and as far as our country was concerned, enemies also entered from the east, E cap, the Japanese J cap, JAPANESE forces full stop. After 28 years, after we attained ATTAINED independence, I cap, INDEPENDENCE, another Act A cap was passed in 1975 in order to bring the territorial army TA cap under a new setup set-up full stop. The present bill B cap was introduced in May M cap 2004 in the Lok Sabha LS cap, and it is after 2 years that it has reached the final stage full stop. This delay of 2 years in taking up this measure MESURE shows that little interest we take in matters of defense, and particularly the role that the territorial army TA cap is likely to play in our country full stop. Those of us who come from the former Indians I cap states S cap do feel that for some reason or other, for the last 7 or 8 years, we are not paying much attention to army matters A cap full stop. This, we are noticing every day, and I will give a few instances INSTANCS which will show that is the state of affairs. SA cap as far as matters of defense D cap are concerned full stop. We treat this matter with complacency COMPLACNCY, but someday may come when probably we may have to regret the little interest we are taking in this all important matter full stop. 4 or 5 months ago we passed the Lok Sahayak Sena bill SSB cap, and on that occasion OCCASI1 also, I spoke and gave a little warning to the Honourable Minister M cap for defense D cap, who himself was piloting PILOTING that bill B cap, that these matters were not taken seriously, and he assured me that was not the case full stop. Sir, I would submit that soon after that bill B cap was passed, one camp was allotted AOOT to Bikaner division B cap, or the former Bikaner state BS cap, from where I come full stop. The camp was opened in the first week of October O cap, when I also happened to be in that area for some private work full stop. Sir, the collector C cap received RECIVD an intimation INTIMATI1 from the Defence Ministry DM cap that from a particular date the camp would be started with 500 trainees TRAINEES full stop. The collector C cap arranged with the Chief Minister CM cap of Rajasthan R cap to inaugurate INAUGUARET the camp full stop. Sir, during that period I happened to be there, and I know what a fiasco FIASCO it was full stop. There were no rations RATIONS, there were no arrangements for camping, comma, there was nothing whatsoever, WHATSOEVER, comma, and hardly a few people were collected in order to show that a camp had started, full stop. At least on our side of the country, comma, the notion, NOTION, is that this country only belongs to the Congress CCAP and not to others, comma, and therefore, comma, only a few Congress CCAP volunteers, VOLUNTEERS, were collected to see that somehow or other the camp was started, comma, whosoever, one word, WHOSOEVER, the people might be, comma, whether they were fit for the purpose of training or not, full stop. This happened only about 2 months ago, comma, and the Honorable Minister can verify these facts, comma, because I happened to be on the spot there, full stop. If this is how we take army and military MILITARY matters, full stop, comma, I only feel very sorry. What will be the condition if we are to tackle serious matters or if we are involved in real welfare, in real warfare, WARFARE, full stop. Sir, comma, I note with a little concern whenever replies are given in the House HCAP in regard to defense matters, full stop. I particularly refer in this connection to our army operations against the Nagas, NAGAS, NCAP, full stop. Whenever a question in this connection is placed before the House HCAP, comma, the reply given generally is that the Nagas and NCAP are armed with arms and ammunition, AMMUNITION, left behind by the Japanese JCAP, and that they are properly armed, semicolon, and that, comma, therefore, comma, we could not liquidate LIQUIDAT them even though we are operating there for over a year or so, full stop. It may satisfy the Honorable Defense Minister DM Cap and the Defense Ministry DM Cap, comma, but not people like us who claim to know something of it, comma, though we are now supposed to be out of date, hyphenated word, out hyphen of hyphen date, and not of much use, full stop. I would ask, colon, can the ammunition, AMMUNITION, comma, left behind by the Japanese JCAP something like 10 years ago, comma, be of any use now in the year 1956, interrogation. I am myself fond, FOND, of Shikhar, SHIKAR, and shooting, Shikar, and shooting, SHOTTING, comma, and I know that after 2 years the ammunition which we keep with us, comma, becomes absolutely useless and we cannot do anything with it, comma, and to say that the arms and ammunition left by the Japanese JCAP some 10 years ago are still being used by the Nagas and NCAP could not be believed, full stop. Sir, comma, the obvious OBVIOUS thing is that they are being supplied fresh arms and ammunition by some other countries or some other agencies, AGENCIS, comma, but the world has gone far ahead, AHEAD, since 1944 or 1945, when the Japanese JCAP advanced into that area, comma, and we are supposed to equip EQUIP ourselves with the most modern weapons, full stop.